The former minister Bathabile Dlamini and her then spokesperson Lumka Oliphant must cough up 3.5 million spent on their private security. The North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria ordered it. The security services contract was approved by the South African Social Security Agency, an entity that Bathabile was in charge of while she served as Minister of the Department of Social Development. According to the judgment, Dlamini claimed in her affidavit that she and Oliphant were threatened after SASSA terminated payments to bogus beneficiaries in 2012. She said her computer was stolen in August 2013 after robbers broke into her official residence. Virginia Peterson was at the helm of SASSA when the agency procured the emergency close protection services at Dlamini's insistence. The court ordered that she too must repay SASSA jointly with Dlamini and Oliphant. According to the judgment, the Director General of the DSD approved the submissions and recommended it for the approval to the second respondent, Dlamini. The second respondent approved and countersigned the submission. Durban-based security company Vuco Security Solutions was hired to provide the protection services, while it was the fourth respondent in the case. SASSA did not seek repayment from the company. It only argued that the contract was unlawful and unreasonable and led to wasteful expenditure. Counsel for the applicant, SASSA, submits that the first and second respondents' conduct was remiss and amounted to a serious dereliction of duty and resulted in fruitless and wasteful expenditure. Dlamini, Oliphant, and Peterson argued that SASSA delayed taking the matter to court. Peterson said this conduct amounted to gross negligence or recklessness. She also denied violating the law. Bathabile Dlamini said she was entitled to protection from SASSA, adding that the dispute was intergovernmental. Oliphant argued that the agency did not expressly state the unlawful conduct complained of by applicant. While the court agreed that SASSA delayed bringing the matter to court, it condoned the delay, ordering the trio to repay SASSA jointly. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.